Rectangular component of a vector in the direction of another vector. Let theta be the angle at which vector A acts with vector B. Vector A acts at in the direction OQ, and this vector A acts at an angle theta with the another vector B. Vector B acts in the direction OP. Vector A is resolved into two rectangular components two rectangular components vector Ax and Ay. Ax and Ay. Vector A is resolved into two rectangular components, vector Ax and vector Ay. Vector Ay. We can denote another direction, that is OP. OS. Now, vector Ax, that is, we have to find what will be the expression of vector Ax and mod vector Ax. The component vector Ax acts along ON in the direction of another vector B. Now vector Ax equal mod vector Ax B cap. Vector Ax acts in the direction of vector B. That's why you have to write B cap equal Ax B cap. Vector Ax equal Ax B cap. We know that vector equal magnitude of the vector and unit vector. And here, so for vector Ax, we have to use the unit vector of vector B, that is B cap. This is equation 1, where B cap is the unit vector. B cap is the unit vector of vector B acting along OP. Of vector B acting along OP, acting along the direction OP. On vector B, we consider a small vector having magnitude 1, and this small vector having magnitude 1 is B cap, not P cap, it should be B cap, which acts in the direction of vector B. This is vector B cap. Now, Ax equal A cos theta, rectangular component of vector A in the direction of ON. Ax is the rectangular component of vector A in the direction ON. Ax equal A cos theta. Also, vector A dot B cap equal mod vector A mod B cap cos theta, because angle between vector A and B cap is theta. Vector A acts at an angle theta with the B cap or unit vector of B cap. So A into 1 mod B cap is 1, because B cap is unit vector cos theta. Therefore, vector A dot B cap equal A cos theta. Therefore, Ax equal, Ax was A cos theta, therefore Ax equal vector A dot B cap. In place of A cos theta, we can write vector A dot B cap. Vector A dot B cap. Therefore, magnitude of vector Ax is equal vector A dot B cap. And this is what magnitude of rectangular component vector. Mod vector Ax equal vector A dot B cap. This is what equation 2. And here we can write mod vector Ax means magnitude of rectangular component vector, magnitude of rectangular component vector of vector A in the direction of another vector, vector B, in the direction of another vector, vector B. Mod vector Ax equal vector A dot B cap. This is the magnitude of rectangular component vector of vector A in the direction of vector B. Now we can move to the next page. Also, using equation 2 in equation 1, using equation 2 in equation 1, we get vector Ax equal mod vector Ax B cap. Now we know that Ax equal vector A dot B cap, bracket closed, B cap. This is vector Ax, vector Ax. Vector Ax equal vector A dot B cap, bracket closed, B cap. This is what rectangular component vector, rectangular component vector, not only component vector, rectangular component vector or component vector of vector A in the direction of vector B, in the direction of vector B. Component vector of vector A in the direction of vector B is vector Ax equal vector A dot B cap, B cap.